Alright guys, doing a 2022 Bronco. Until I can find something on the driver's side, I spent about 15-20 minutes trying to look for wire on that side. I couldn't really find anything. So I came to the passenger side, and you take off the side panel here, and you're gonna pop, once you get the panel off, you're gonna pop this panel off, and you'll be able to get to those wires right there. It's a really thick blue with red for constant, and then a thinner, it looks like a blue with red, but it's more like a blue with orange, and that's your ignition. And I grounded it right there. There's a bolt right there, and then I hit my tracker up here. It's like velcroed behind this panel right here. I guess that's it for now until I can find something on the side. If you have to do ECMD, you might have to fish the wire like behind the console or something. Either take the tracker over there or bring the ECMD cable this side. And that's it.